Thanks for watching this SalesLogix video on the library functionality within SalesLogix. The library can be accessed from the navigation bar and is essentially an area to store generic documents that will be useful for users of SalesLogix. Think of the library as a network drive, but don't confuse it with the Attachments tab under Leads, Accounts, Contacts, Opportunities and Tickets, which will contain documents specific to a customer or a person. To use the library, simply click on the folder you require and then double-click on the document you wish to view. If you are a remote SalesLogix user, you may not have synchronized the document, but a warning message will ask you if you would like to request it, and it will then be synchronized out to you. It is the SalesLogix Administrator who manages the library, but let's quickly jump into the SalesLogix Administrator application and see how it's done. Click on the Library button, and if you would like to add a new folder, simply click on the level above where the folder should be added, then right-click and select New Folder. Type in the new folder name. Let's imagine we want to store some price lists. Now highlight the folder, and in the area to the right, right-click and select Add File. Browse to the file you would like to add, select it and click Open. The document will now be copied to the library. If required, you can now highlight the document, right-click and amend the properties. You can add a description, you can add an abstract if required, and you can also state whether the document expires on a particular date. Once happy, click OK. You can also amend the names of folders or documents, or delete documents and folders if they are no longer required through simple right-click functionality. When all work is done, refresh the system by pressing F5. Back now into the refreshed SalesLogix client, and I can now see the new folder and the document with its additional properties. I can also right-click and view all the properties, or I can really simply send a file to an Outlook email for sending on to another person. Simply double-clicking on the document will open it, and I can then print or save it as required if I want my own local copy. Well, that's the SalesLogix library. Remember to always read the help files for further information, but thanks very much for watching this SalesLogix production.